The final support from the federal government for small business is the Canada Emergency Account, known as the CEBA. Seba provides small businesses with loans up to $40,000, interest-free for the first year, and $10,000 may be considered a grant portion. Please note all of the following requirements. It is available through your own bank and facilitated through your business online banking. It can take the form of a revolving line of credit converted into a non-revolving 5-year loan maturing December 2025, when the full balance is due. Some financial institutions are offering no interest until January 2023, at which time the interest rate is 5%, and if 75% of the balance by January 2021 is paid on or before December 31st, 2022, the remaining balance is forgiven. Businesses can use CEBA loans as a cash flow management tool to cover their operational costs, particularly payroll. Some of the common questions surrounding CEBA are: what is the payroll threshold for CEBA eligibility? A business must be having a payroll account with Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, during 2019. The business must have paid wages and salaries between the following. If I pay subcontractors and issue T4As, is my small business eligible to get CEBA loan? No. You are eligible business only if you pay salaries and wages and issue T4s. I pay myself a salary from my corporation. Am I eligible for a CEBA loan? It depends. If you have paid yourself a salary and a total of the salary is more than $20,000, yes, your business is eligible to get the line of credit. Note, dividends are different from salary. I am a home-based business, unincorporated, and I made more than $20,000 in 2019. Am I eligible to get the business loan? No. You're self-employed. Self-employment income is not a payroll cost. If you have employees and you meet the payroll threshold, you're eligible. How to check what is the total payroll for your business in 2019. You can check for it on your T4 information return for 2019, and you look for box 14, which is employment income. This is the amount of pay you have paid employees, or yourself if you take wages. If you do not have employees, you do not have an amount in this box. Are CEBA loans interest-free for small businesses? Yes, CEBA loans are interest-free until January 1st, 2023. Confirm with your bank. How can I get $10,000 waiver on the CEBA loan? If you pay 75% of the balance of the term loan as at January 1st, 2021, on or before December 31st, 2022, the remaining balance of your term loan will be forgiven. For example, if your balance is $40,000 on January 1st, 2021, and you repay $30,000 on or before December 31st, 2022, the remaining $10,000 will be forgiven. How can I apply for the Canada Emergency Business Account? You need to get in touch with your financial institutions. Most of the banks have already sent out emails to their clients already. When is the balance of the loan due? If you do not repay 75% of the balance of the term loan as at January 1st, 2021, on or before December 31st, 2022, the full loan balance and all accrued and unpaid interest will be due and payable on December 31st, 2025. When will the loan be available? Most financial institutions have online applications and they are accepting enrollments as of April 6th, 2020. What do I need to prepare for the enrollment process? Locate your 2019 T4 summary of remuneration paid statement. You can also contact the Canada Revenue Agency to have them reissue your 2019 statement. Can I enroll for CEBA at more than one bank? No. Businesses must enroll for the Canada Emergency Business Account at their primary financial institution, where they have an existing business banking account and cannot apply at more than one financial institution. Doing so may result in legal prosecution by the federal government. What happens if there are multiple owners in my business? You must ensure that the person enrolling your corporation has the authority to attest on behalf of the organization and bind the organization to the terms of the CEBA loan agreement. I'm a sole proprietor and I only have a personal checking account. Can I still apply? No. The Canada Emergency Business Account is only available to business clients who have been a registered operation on or before March 1st, 2020, with a business operating account. If I have an existing bank operating line or credit, can I enroll in the Canada Emergency Business Account? Yes, you can still participate in the enrollment process if you are a current borrower or other bank lending solution. I am currently benefiting from other bank COVID relief offerings for my business. Can I still participate in the enrollment for the Canada Emergency Business Account? Yes, you can still participate in the enrollment process for the government's Canada Emergency Business Account. What if I have multiple businesses? Can I enroll under each business for CEBA? Each business entity may enroll for CEBA. Each business must individually meet the eligibility criteria. When do I start repaying the loan? You may start repaying the loan in part or in full at any time, but repayment is not required until December 31st, 2025, at which time the entire loan and all accrued and unpaid interest is due. Check with your bank for enrollment procedures and note that with most banks, you can only enroll online. There are various other bank models for business loans. Please note, if you utilize these opportunities to borrow or defer, remember it still needs to be paid and included in your cash flow forecast. Many sole proprietors, while they do qualify for the CERB, the Canada Emergency Response Benefit, the $2,000 per month for 4 months, they do not qualify for CEBA because they don't have payroll of over $20,000 in 2019. In fact, they have no payroll at all. They're struggling to pay not only their personal expenses with the $2,000, but also their business expenses such as rent, utilities, etc., since their businesses have now closed down. I have heard of an appeal process for businesses that do not qualify for the CEBA. We don't know how it will work or be assessed, but we will keep you posted through this series of videos in the weeks to come. Thank you for watching this video on the financial support offered. I encourage you to watch our other videos for more helpful tools and tips to manage your finances during the COVID-19 crisis.